Let me show the testing operation of 1200 watts shortwave power amplifier made with the BLF188XR LD-MOS transistor in aluminum frame. The power meter I will use is a BLF43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, which means 2.5 kilowatt full scale. The driver is ISO transceiver. Well, the power supply is a flat pack 2 which provides 53 volts. The internal power and SWR meter is calibrated on 20 meters according to bird. Let me show. I will transmit 1000 watts there and there. SWR meter is calibrated too. When I connect the second 50 ohms in parallel, shows SWR meter shows 2, SWR 2. Well, actually the driving power from the radio must be set to 100 watts. And let me show the output band by band starting from 160 meters. Transmitting on 160. Next is 8 meters. Then 40. Then 20. Next is a 15. Then 10. And last one is a 6 meters. Okay, let me return to 20 meters in CW. Oh, on 160 meters we will show some telegraphy on all bands. For long operation I have to replace the dummy load from small one to big one. Well, for next testings, let me go to 7 megacycles to 40 meters. What happens if I disconnect the antenna? Will start to transmit. Red light glows, showing that high SWR protection was engaged. To reset it, I have to switch off the 50 volts power supply, connect the antenna, and switch on the drain voltage. Now I am ready to transmit. Okay, next step is 7 megacycles with the packet transmission, which means 100% duty cycle, to show that there is one more cooling fan which will be engaged when copper plate temperature rises to 55 degrees Celsius. It takes time to make this plate as warm as 55 degrees. I'm transmitting like in gig mode, with just a short breaks to distribute the temperature across the copper plate. Well, second cooling fan is engaged now. It will be switched off when the copper plate temperature goes down to 45 degrees, thanks to 10 degrees hysteresis. Well, it takes around a minute with the 2 fans and no transmission. Well, the second fan is disengaged. All is still working. Well, I think that's all for this amplifier.